Claim, is West Bengal government collecting jizya tax from Hindu pilgrims visiting Tarkeshwar Ganga? The claim is going viral on social media. Several users took to social media and shared videos of Hindu pilgrims who were allegedly taxed while visiting the Ganga ghats. The claim was supported by a video showing a man holding a ticket and sarcastically remarking that he had to pay 10 rupee to bath in the Ganga. Verified ex-user, HinduVoice_in, shared such a claim with the caption, #WestBengal.
আমরা তারকেশ্বরে জল ঢালতে যাব আর গঙ্গার চান করছি এই যে 10 টাকা করে টিকিট লাগছে আমরা তারকেশ্বরে
Another verified ex-user claims that jizya tax was being imposed upon the Hindus of West Bengal. Her post gained more than 20,000 views and nearly 2,000 likes. Find the tweet here. Jizya tax being imposed upon Hindus in West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee government is collecting 10 rupees from Punyarthis who are taking holy dip in Ganga ahead of their Tarkeshwar visit. The Union Minister of State for Education and former BJP State President of West Bengal, Sukant Mujumdar, also made this claim. He lashed at the TMC government for forcibly collecting such fees during religious practices and termed them anti-Hindu. Find the tweet here. Fact check. Truth, misleading. The government of West Bengal is not collecting any taxes and 10 rupees was collected by the local organizations for maintenance. Fact check details. Digit India decided to fact check this claim and watched the video thoroughly. Upon closely analyzing the tickets held by the person, there was no logo or emblem of the government of West Bengal.
আমরা তারকেশ্বরে জল ঢালতে যাব আর গঙ্গার চান করছি এই যে 10 টাকা করে টিকিট লাগছে ঠিক আছে জয় বাংলা
We then conducted a reverse image search alongside a keyword search to find evidence of such fees on pilgrims visiting the Baidyabadi Nimai Tirthaghat. Our search took us to this official post by the West Bengal Police made on 4th August 2025. The post in Bengali read, translated to English, it reads, the West Bengal government is not collecting any fee from pilgrims for taking holy Ganga water from the Baidyabadi Nimai Tirthaghat. Find the tweet here. During our investigation, we came across an article by the Statesman which discussed Sukanta Mujumdar's accusations on the West Bengal government. The local volunteers told them that a small fee is sometimes collected at ghats for sanitation and crowd management, especially during large-scale religious events. Additionally, the article also accounted for how these were not mandated by the state. View a snippet from the article below. Thus, there is no proof of any tax collection from Hindus. The claim that the West Bengal government is collecting taxes from Hindu pilgrims visiting the Tarkeshwar Ganga during the month of Sawan is false. Claim, the West Bengal government is collecting taxes from Hindu pilgrims visiting the Tarkeshwar Ganga during the month of Sawan. Conclusion, misleading. The government of West Bengal is not collecting any taxes and 10 rupees was collected by the local organizations for maintenance. Rating, misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digit.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.